We're making Karhi. So we have 1 cup of yellow split pea flour in here and another cup in here. We're gonna add 4 cups of water. Whisk it. So we have a little bit of tamarind paste. This is about a tablespoon, I guess. The second bowl without the water, we're just gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're using a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. So I used a little more than a 1/4 cup of water. Frying the pholouri for the Karhi. So we have 1/2 an onion chopped, we have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper chopped, and we have 2 cloves of garlic grated. We have 2 teaspoons of oil in the pot. So we have a teaspoon of saffron powder mixed with a teaspoon of water. I'm going to add the gel with the water and the tamarind paste. We added a teaspoon of salt. We're just going to mix it and then we're going to let it cook. We're going to add 2 more cups of water. Half teaspoon ground roasted cumin seeds. The pholouri that we just made. We're going to cook it for 2 minutes and then turn it on. It's done.